Alright, I'm going to call this video Automation Acclimation. Right now I'm getting a car wash. It's completely done electromechanically computerized uh, automation. I paid, $14, and a computer voice told me to drive in. So, we have automatic car washes, automatic dishwashers, automatic answering machines for our phones, um, automatic alarm clocks. We've got automated toll booths. There's a little transceiver you can put in certain areas for toll roads and things. We have automated payments. You can automate your payments to your mortgage, to your rent, to your credit card, to your car payment. Your taxes are automated. Your washing machine for your clothes is automated. Your dryer is automated. So there's a trend to automate things. And things are so tight time-wise. If you don't take advantage of the automation, you'll never keep with the rest of everybody else that does. I don't have time to manually wash my car. I really don't. And it's this or nothing. So, plus it's cheaper. It would take me over an hour to wash it properly. And if you think of wage-wise, that's about $14 an hour. So automation is the trend. It really is, and you got to get with it. At least find out what you can about it and see where you can implement it into your life. Especially if you're in a city, because just look at traffic lights. Those are automated too. We got some traffic lights in here that'll tell me to drive forward and stuff when I'm done here. I'm just having fun watching all this automation. Now, that's another thing. They need technicians and stuff to service this equipment. So look into getting your maintenance mechanic, your electromechanic, your programming, your all that, servicing and stuff. Because there's so much automation. Until they get robots that can repair robots, they'll still need humans to repair the robots and the machines and things like that. So but the problem is we get dependent on this automated stuff to where we can't even function without it. So just like I say, try automation. Also try manual and analog and things like that. Because if the power goes out, then all this stuff doesn't work. You'll have to go back to the old ways. So know how to do both if you can. Don't be all on one side. Have your knowledge base and your skill set dispersed. Just be familiar with all kinds of different ways of doing things. Now I'm curious, what I'll do here is I'll have to drive out of here and stuff here in a moment. I don't know if you can see the situation, if you can read that or not, but I'll be out of here soon. I want to examine this car. It had a lot of road salt on it, so we'll get out here and examine to see if this wash got the road salt off. It's going to be dark. I got a flashlight. The video's going to get a little wobbly. Oh, it's almost time to go. Okay, we got to get ready to go here. Stay tuned if you want to see if we got the road salt off. misplaced the key? I did. Hold up. Misplaced the key. There we are. Alright, let's go. Put on my seatbelt here. Be bona fide. In fact, I'll drive up to the lights and we'll see. We'll see what the situation is. Alright, let's see. This baby in park. Alright. Still with me? Thank you. Alright, let's go see. I mean, we won't be able to tell, really, until it dries. But I think it did knock a lot of the road salt off. It was getting pretty bad. So yeah, this is a really cool gas station because they got free air, they got free vacuums. That's what these are. And there's a lot of them. They're all LED. Looks like you can put your mats here and clean your mats. I'll do that another day though. But yeah. Alright, so I want to keep this video short and sweet. Look behind me, see those gas station pumps? They're automated too, more or less. Other than you know, pay wise. So automation, acclimation. Be aware, be safe, and be informed, and be proficient. Okay? Well, take care.